大家好，昨天在节目中曾经提到过，现在黄金是不是还值得高位进场？那今天我就有时间跟我的一个好朋友，也就是原来在我在凤凰卫视的时候呢，节目中常常做嘉宾的一个专家 Mish 就这个问题进行了讨论。他表示，黄金、比特币都有一定的投资的意义，具体的要点呢，我们请他来介绍。
One of the things I've heard about Bitcoin relative to gold is that eventually they're looking at the potential of digital gold, which means now you can buy with your Bitcoin gold and silver at some point, which of course is also very interesting because where Bitcoin is all done, in cyberspace, gold is a physical asset, as is silver. So that has its own set of values. So if you could actually use your Bitcoin to buy digital gold or digital silver and then use that in the same way as a currency to pay for things, that's a pretty good future for the price of gold as well. And that again is, I'm jumping ahead, it's a little bit more in the future, but it's certainly going to be a supporting factor. So right now, let's talk about the why gold has gotten to where it is. I mean, central bank buying has been the number one reason. As a safety play has been a second reason. Obviously, the uncertainties that we have, not only with tariffs, but with geopolitics, with the future of fiat currencies, the monetary policy, what's going to happen with interest rates, our foreign equities, foreign countries buying our dollar, or buying our treasury. So far, the answer is not as much as they were. This is why it has been all support for gold. So yeah, we've seen gold go up close to 3,500. It's now back closer to 3,300. I think if it holds here, that would be a good place, 3,300, major support there using what we like to use, which is a 50-day moving average. So that's something that I think we should watch. Also, what happens with inflation. Gold has proven that, right? Because the yields have been high for such a long time and gold hasn't really cared. Bitcoin, I always like to say with Bitcoin, it's still been trying to figure out what it wants to be when it grows up, because let's face it, it's only 20 years old, or just slightly under 20 years old. So it's kind of like a tween in essence. So I think that Bitcoin has the potential to not really care about the monetary policy and the interest rate based on all the reasons we just talked about. Mm-hmm. But what's interesting with gold right now, it's even more interesting to me with gold more than anything, is what's happening in its relationship to silver.
米莎刚才还提到了，除去黄金、比特币之外，他现在特别看重的是白银。那么在下次的节目当中，我们就具体展开为什么他认为白银现在也值得投资人关注。